My name is Miss Danielle. I am the English teacher at Crossing Borders Preschool, and I've been working here for about 7 years now. And I teach ages from about 3 to 5 years old. And I really enjoy teaching this group. They are very intelligent, they're very sweet, and they're very eager to learn new things. So I've noticed that whenever I get a new student in my classroom, they're very excited about all the different activities that we do in the classroom and all of the ways that we learn our numbers and our letters and our colors. So we do have a ProCare app that I'm able to communicate and have an open communication with the parents at the school. So if there's any questions, any concerns that they might have, they're able to message me and I'm able to send a message back. And also through the app, the parents are able to receive pictures and daily messages on how the student is doing throughout the day. So in the classroom, I try to incorporate play with learning. So we do group activities, we have morning circle, yoga, and we're able to review our numbers, our colors, our letters. And each student, I try to, at least by the end of the year, to get them to be able to write their full name, first and last name. We practice our pre-writing skills. So we try to incorporate a lot of academic learning along with playtime in the classroom. I look forward to meeting my new students, and I want to welcome them with big smile, and I try to welcome them with a whole group of friendly faces, and so they can be very comfortable and they can have fun as well. And I can't wait to meet all the new faces. And tree, remember we made our tree look like the letter T. Our number of the week is the number 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y. Curve this way, down, over, and then straight down. That's your 4. Now, what's 1 plus 4? So you have to draw 1 tally mark, and then 4 tally marks under the number 4. Let's count them. That's 5. Marker. Will the marker sink or float, Adam? Let's try. You think it'll sink? Let's try. Did it sink?
No.
It floated. Actually, I want you to use run in a sentence.
I can run super fast.
Oh, good job. I can run super fast. I love that sentence. Does anyone else want to try? Magnets. Can you use up in a sentence?
Stand up.
Please, can you stand up? That's a good sentence. Good job.